I thought we'd talk about new innovations on an old problem. Everybody's got a lavatory and it's almost always clogged in some way. Hair gets down there. So first line of defense for most is to use a plunger right here. A reminder to everybody, every single lavatory has a built-in overflow. Now that means it has a hole right here. If you do not put a rag or some way to seal it off when you do this, every bit of your push will come out through here and spray on you and the wall and everything else.
Path of least resistance, right?
Okay. What every house I think should have is a mechanical snake like this. That would be a snake that would go down the drain. And so this is the standard pop-up assembly. You can see there's a lever. When you lift at the faucet, you can see the pop-up goes up and down. And this can be a little bit fussy, a bit of a pain in the neck. Let me show you underneath what some of the issue is. If you look right here in the water pathway, you see this rod comes right through. Now, if you've got long hair going down the drain, it's a perfect clog point right there.
Yep.
So, sometimes all you have to do is take this apart, pull this out, and it's all covered with hair, and you clean it off and put it back in. But it's a bit of a pain for some people to get that apart and to get it back together correctly.
Yeah, for sure.
So they've got these really cool things that would allow you to actually go down without having to pull that pop-up. And you could clear hair, you could draw it back and then clean it off and keep doing it.
It's like a surgeon's scope.
Right, or you could get down all the way to the bend and clean it out this way, okay? So this is actually a pretty, you think it's a gizmo, but it's actually could do a good job, particularly with hair.
Yep, very clever. All right.
So this is a new wrinkle. This is a really cool new wrinkle. Here's the standard pop-up assembly. This one looks just like the standard pop-up. But what it's got...
When you say standard pop-up, so as this goes up and down, that drain is opening and closing.
But you see that rod doesn't go all the way through. Look at this.
Whoa.
There's a magnet right here. So now the magnet means that the rod doesn't come all the way through, but it also leaves a perfectly clear pathway for water and hair to keep going by without getting clogged like the standard pop-up assembly.
So enough holding power so you can operate, but if you have to remove, wow.
And you can just go down.
That is clever.
So
I
like seeing new innovation in what is a standard package here in the plumbing industry. And there's one more to show you. Here's the standard Ptrap.
Yep.
Here's a variation of that. It doesn't have a clean out here, but this normally has water in it to create a water seal so you don't get sewer gas. And you want to clear it this way. Look at this. It looks just like a Ptrap. It would look like this, but you see it's got this one additional appendage. Well, that appendage would allow you
a clean out.
To go like this, run a snake down here to clean it out if you chose to, but look at this. It has a...
What?
It's a filter. So better to catch the hair here and then take it out, clean it, and put it back in, because that's easy enough to do, because that doesn't even need a heavy-duty wrench.
Cool, cool. New ways to attack the clogged sink. I like it.
Innovation.
Thanks, Richard.
All right.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.